Ngibingelele kuwe mlaleli, ngiyathemba usaphila-ke. Mina ngizokucela ukuba-ke laphana ukuthi uma ngabe usamusha leli khasi-ke leli-ke wenze ulungile-ke laphana cindezela-ke ibhathini subscribe nje bizi imali kumahhala nje usho isenti-ke elimnyama-ke leli-ke khona uzokwazi ukuthi-ke uthole zonke iy'ndaba-ke ezintsha engizokulethela zona-ke kulo-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke. So ongakwenza-ke nje lapho-ke usicindezele ibhathini u-subscribe njengamanje-ke. Udaba okulethele lona namhlanje ngeke ukholwe-ke laphana-ke okushiwo ubulungu-ke laphana-ke nge-ANC DA-ke ebasola-ke ngobukhonyovu nangokurobha-ke eveza nanokuthi-ke umuntu-ke owinile-ke laphana-ke uJacob Zuma-ke. Kodwa-ke angifuni-ke mina ukuzozwa ngaphandle into enza nje udlala-ke ividiyo-ke uzuzwele yona. Ngizocela laphana ukuthi masizwele le video lingene ema-comment section-ke ufushe umbono wakho ngalo-ke lolu daba-ke lolu-ke masicinza nebhathini nje subscribe nje kubiza imali kumahhala nje kusho nesenti-ke elimnyama-ke leli-ke. Nawe-ke le video-ke awuyithokozele.
Black South Africans, MK followers, supporters. The DA and the ANC have tried, and they did it. And I told you, be aware, be awake of the ANC and the DA in South Africa. They are all involved, my friend. The real winner is Jacob Zuma and no one else. They are trying, and they have done it for years, to undermine the voter in South Africa. And they have done it again with their corruption in 2024. And they think that they will get away with it. They think that they will get away with it. We have cast our vote, and they think we are the sheep in South Africa. You are not the sheep.